Okay. Okay. Welcome all. Before we go into the class today, before we go to the demonstration, just I wanted to, give a brain teaser for all of you. Okay. Okay. A brain teaser. If possible, everybody use calculators, and if no calculator available, please use your mobile calculators. Okay. The question is, whoever answers, please unmute your mic and answer. After that, again, please mute. So the question is, normally we children, they are very much interested in eating pizzas and all. Chala mandi mari pizzal ante chala ishtam kabatti. So here one pizza cost is 120 rupees. One 12-inch pizza. One 6-inch pizza cost is 50 rupees. And the Pizza Hut or whatever the restaurant, they are giving an offer. Okay, one pizza cost is 100 rupees. One 12-inch pizza cost. Originally it is 120. Offer is 100 rupees. Otherwise, there is another offer. Buy two 6-inch pizzas for RS 100, or you can say consider RM 100, and you get one 6-inch pizza free. That means three 6-inch pizzas for RS 100, rupees 100. So which one you buy? Can anybody guess the answer, or can anybody say why, which one you want to buy, or which one? What is the reason for your selection? So I think hope others can unmute.
B.
B. Very good. Very good. I like the response. Many people answered in the chat B. Okay. Okay. I will tell the answer. Okay. So that's why the important thing, actually, when my daughter was early, I taught these things. Normally, this is the business tactics from, these people. See, if you look at one pizza is a circular surface, isn't it? 12-inch diameter pizza. So you need to calculate the area. When you calculate the area, it is normally the formula is pi r square, but don't worry about the formula and all. Normally area is square. Okay. So 12-inch area is 12 into 12 is 144. At the same time, one 6-inch pizza, the area is 6 into 6, 36 only. Okay. So one pizza area is 36. Two pizza areas is 72. And three pizza areas is 108. And four pizza area is 144. That means in 12-inch size pizza, whatever the amount we use for the pizza, we can make 6-inch pizzas. So people, wow, offer is very good to buy two pizzas. Okay, we'll get one free. Everybody will buy three pizzas, 100 rupees. Okay, and the restaurant people and all, they will get very, very good profit. So what we need to buy? Actually, we need to buy 12-inch pizza. 12-inch pizza is very cost, and make it into 6 pieces. Let all the family members enjoy. See, this is the trick. So normally by looking at this, oh, 3 pizza, 6-inch. But when it comes to area, it is a square. Okay. So I hope you got the answer. So that is why these things are very, very important. This is mathematics applied in our practical life. So another question, then we'll go to the class demonstration. Okay. Okay. Can anybody, many students are there, elderly people are there. Can you calculate this one? A train, its length is 200 meters, traveling at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour. If you are standing on the platforms, how many seconds it will take to pass? Please try, everybody. Just make it, maybe if you have a paper, pen, you try to, answer these questions. Then after this, then I will go into the real demonstration and real lessons. (72 kilometers per hour). You need to convert them into meters per second. Many teachers are there, many students are there, many elder people are there. Anybody can try. A, B, C, D. What is the answer? Somebody answered C, 10 seconds. Any other answers? Appreciate Sharon Johnson. I don't know you. Maybe you're a child. Really fantastic. You're the one first answered. Whether correct or wrong, I will tell you later. Okay. Any other answers? You can chat. You can type in the chat, or you can unmute your microphone and tell. Somebody answered B. Very good. Palle Jacob Garu, thank you. Very good. Then Pierre Kathleen answered C. Very good. I will see 1 more minute. Then I will, just explain this. Then I will go to the real class. Okay.
నా వాయిస్ వినపడటం.
Very sorry. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much. Okay, I will tell the answer now. I wanted to congratulate Sharon Johnson, who answered correctly, and she answered first. Okay, congratulations, Sharon Johnson. Later on, if I will, if possible, I will give you, a small gift. Okay, so here just I will explain briefly. Okay, 72 kilometers per hour is 72,000 meters. If you convert kilometers to meters, 72,000 meters per hour, 60 seconds. So per minute, 60 minutes, per minute, 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 is 3,600 seconds. Always remember, per hour, 3,600 seconds. Please remember, 36 kilometers per hour is 10 meters per second. So 72,000 divided by 3,600, actually it comes 20. Okay. So the train length is 20 meters. So 72 kilometers, 72,000 divided by 36,000. So if you cancel the zeros, 36 times 2 is 72. So that is 20 meters per second. Okay, 20 meters. And the train length is 200 meters. So how much it will take? 10 meters, 10 seconds. So that is the answer. So here, normally in mathematics, they will give all this, matter. They will tell, train length, so many things they will give. But no need to worry about all those things. You need to remember this much. Please, everybody, please remember this one. 36 kilometers per hour is 10 meters per second. You remember this one, that's it. 36 kilometers per hour is 10 meters per second. And 18 kilometers per hour is off, it 5 meters per second. If you remember this, when this question comes, straight away you can say 36 into 72, it is 20 meters per second, 200 meters, so 10 seconds answer. No need to do any paperwork. So this is, one example. So now let us go to the class now. Before the class, just I wanted to share another one. This is okay. Okay. Normally, areas and volumes. Calculation of areas and volumes are common in our daily use. Areas, just now we discussed about areas, sometimes volumes. Normally in any competitive exams, if there are 100 questions, at least 10 questions will be directly or indirectly they're related to squares or cubes. మీరు ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో ఒక 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, అందులో ఒక 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ అయినా ఏరియాస్ సంబంధించింది, స్క్వేర్స్, క్యూబ్కి సంబంధించిన లెక్కలు వస్తాయి. కాబట్టి లెట్ us learn some tips. Okay, before going to the tips, I wanted to now demonstrate. Okay, I wanted to demonstrate. Now everybody use your calculators or phones. Ask me, you type any two-digit number. Take any two-digit number. For example, say 23. Multiply 23 into 23. Okay. Tell the final answer. Don't tell the number. Don't tell the two-digit number. మీరు ఒక 2 అక్షరాల సంఖ్య నాకు చెప్పొద్దు. 67 into 67 మల్టిప్లై చేసి ఎంత 3000 ఎంత వస్తుందో కదా ఆన్సర్ నాకు చెప్పండి. దాని స్క్వేర్ రూట్ నేను చెప్తాను. ఓకే, ఎవరైనా సరే ఎనీవని మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని ఎంతో కొంత చెప్పండి. మీరు అంటే నాకు ఇందులో చెప్పండి. 3136 అని పెట్టారు ఎవరో, 56 అండి ఆన్సర్. 484 is 22. అడగండి దయచేసి, మ్యూట్ చేసి అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి అడగండి. ఎన్ని టూ-డిజిట్ నెంబర్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. చార్ట్ లో పెట్టా, నేను వెంటనే చెప్పేసాను ఆన్సర్స్. 316 స్క్వేర్ ఎవరో 3481 అంటే మీరు నాకు చెప్తే బాగుంటుందండి. దయచేసి నాకు చెప్తే బాగుంటుంది. 59 అండి. మీరంటే 7396 అని చెప్పారు కదా, అది 86 అండి. మీరు అడిగితే బాగుంటుందండి. అడగండి నన్ను జూమ్ లో అడగండి దయచేసి. చార్ట్ లో నేను చూసుకోలేకపోతున్నాను. బాబు
అన్న మీరు ఎలా చెప్పగలుగుతున్నారు అన్నది
తర్వాత చెప్తా ఉండే, అదే మరి చెప్తున్నా.
94
అడగండి మమ్మల్ని.
94
అలా కాదండి, మీరు
అంకుల్
2-digit నెంబర్ అమ్మా, 2-digit నెంబర్ అడగండి.
94
అది కాదమ్మా, దాన్ని 94 into 95 మల్టిప్లై చేసి, యూ మల్టిప్లై 94 into 94, టెల్ ద స్క్వేర్, దెన్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ ద స్క్వేర్ రూట్. ఎవరో 2115 అని పెట్టారు, 45 అండి.
9216 అంకుల్.
9000 చెప్పాలండి, అంటే థౌజండ్స్ లో చెప్పాలి. 9000 అలా చెప్పాలి. నా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ లో చెప్తే
9216.
9216 96 అమ్మా.
Sir, 45 into 45, 2020.
అలా కాదు, మీరు 2025 అని చెప్పండి, దాని స్క్వేర్ రూట్ నేను చెప్తాను. 45 into 40. ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టెల్ అబౌట్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్స్. మీరు స్క్వేర్ అడగండి, స్క్వేర్ రూట్స్ చెప్తాను నేను.
Uncle, 529.
7396 అని పెట్టారు ఎవరో. 86 అండి ఆన్సర్.
1225.
చెప్పమ్మా మరోసారి రిపీట్.
1225.
6225.
4225.
ఓకే, 4225 65 బాబు. 529 is 23. 4096 is 66.
9801.
8464 is 92.
9801.
9800 is 99.
2025.
2025 is 45.
1444.
1444 is 38. ఓకే అండి, అర్థమైంది కదా మీకు? ఇది మీరు కూడా చెప్పగలరు. జస్ట్ ఒక 4 days క్లాసెస్ వినండి, మీరు కూడా దీన్ని చెప్పగలరు. కాకపోతే మీరు కొంచెం కష్టపడి కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. అది నేను ఇప్పుడు ఎలా చేయాలో కూడా మీకు డెమాన్స్ట్రేషన్ చెప్తాను. ఇప్పుడు క్యూబ్స్ అండి, క్యూబ్లోకి వెళ్దాం. వాల్యూమ్స్, ఇప్పుడు ఎనీ వాల్యూమ్ కావాలంటే దాన్ని మనం క్యూబ్ చేస్తాం. అంటే 4 into ఇప్పుడు 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 కదా. అలాగా మీరు ఒక 2-digit నెంబర్ తీసుకోండి. 47 into 47 into 47, 3 times multiply 3 times and tell the final answer. Don't tell the 2-digit number. Please don't type in the chat. I am not able to see. What you do is 3-digit number multiply 3 times and tell the final answer in thousands, like 126,522. You need to tell the full answer for a cube.
9,70,299.
99 అమ్మా. అన్మ్యూట్ అయిపోండి అమ్మా ఎవరైనా. అడగండి క్యూబ్స్, అడగండి క్యూబ్స్. పిఎల్
1,75,616.
1,75,000. 56 బాబు.
రైట్ అంకుల్.
ఎవరో పెట్టారు 300,763 అని పెట్టారు. అది 60. సారీ అమ్మా, నాకంటే చాలా నాకు చెప్పండి. మీరు చెప్తే నాకు ఈజీ అవుతుంది. 6,81,472 అన్నారు. ఎవరో అది 88 అమ్మా.
753,571.
వెరీ గుడ్. అలా అడిగితే వెరీ నైస్. ఇట్స్ 91.
Sir,
2-digit number. Please ask 2-digit number first. Yes, Babu, Vinila.
8,30,584.
8,584. 8 lakhs. It is 94. Sorry, Babu, late అయిపోయింది. 94.
Yes, uncle.
Correct. Pierre asked. Somebody asked 68,000. Yes. Okay, Pierre, Kathleen, your mic is not working. HC 8,57,375. 95 amma. HC 95. Answer is 95.
4,05,224.
24. 4 lakhs. 74, Babu. Okay, Pierre asked 4,38,976. It is 76 answer. Job Daniel Garagar 4,21,875. It is 4,75 answer. And Job Daniel answer is 75.
3,87,000. 3,87,017.
73, Babu.
Correct.
4,913.
4,913.
913.
మీరు క్యూబా స్పేర్ అడుగుతున్నారా?
Cuba.
క్యూబా
Yeah.
17. 17. Okay.
17.
Vivek and Vinay 1,32,641. 51, Babu. ఓకే అంటే చాలు కదా, అంటే మీ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ నేను అంటే ఎక్కడ చూసి చెప్పట్లేదు కదా, కళ్ళు మూసుకుపోయినా చెప్పగలనా. మీరు స్క్వేర్ రూట్ కానీ క్యూబ్ రూట్ కానీ మీరు దాని ముందు చెప్తే స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అని చెప్తే నేను చెప్పేస్తాను, క్యూబ్ రూట్ ఎంతమంది అడిగినా వెంటనే చెప్పగలను. ఇప్పుడు ఇది మీరు అడిగారు కదా ఇందాక, ఎలా చెప్పగలుగుతున్నారు అన్న దాని గురించి ఇప్పుడు మనం లెసన్లోకి వెళ్తాం. ఇంకెవరైనా అడుగుదాం అనుకుంటున్నారా? ఓకే అండి, సరే. షల్ వి గో టు ద లెసన్?
Yes.
ఓకే. ఎవరో రంజిత్ గారు 5,71,787. 83 అండి రంజిత్ గారు, కరెక్టేనా? పియర్లు క్యాథరిన్ 4,38,976. 76 అమ్మా పియర్లు. తప్పైతే తప్పని చెప్పండి. ఎవరో ఎఫ్సిబా 4,05,224 అన్నారు. 74 అమ్మా, 74 ఎఫ్సిబా. స్క్వేర్ రూట్స్ అడగండి, మీరు మిక్స్ చేయండి స్క్వేర్ రూట్ క్యూబ్ రూట్. ఓకే సరేనమ్మా, మనం క్లాస్లోకి వెళ్దాం. వీ హ్యావ్ ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీటెడ్ half an hour. Today is only actually demonstration. Why I am giving the demonstration is when I can do as an old person, old brain. You young people also can sharpen your brains. Only thing is you need to remember a few things. Okay. ఇక్కడ తెలుగు రాని వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారండి? తెలుగు రాని వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? So no problem, I'll continue it in English. Okay. Okay, now I will share my screen. Pierre, yes, Pierre, you cannot understand in Telugu. Okay, I will continue in English. Okay, now I think, hope you're all seeing the screen. Okay. Now areas and volumes, actually any area, rectangle area, length to breadth. So any square area, one side is A square is the area. That means square always represents areas and cubes always represent volumes. So these are very, very important in our calculations. For example, I'm working in oil and gas as a general manager. We measure always in volumes, how many barrels of oil, how many liters of oil, how many meter cube of oil. So everything is we measure. When we go to the petrol bunk, we'll measure how many liters of petrol. So all these volume calculations. So let us learn some tips today. Okay. This is only demonstration class. Okay, tomorrow onwards, I will try to use whiteboard and I will explain. So this one I already, instead of writing, people may not see properly. So I put it in the PowerPoint. Later on, I will share. You have to practice during your holidays, evening time and all. So remember, 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. Remember, I told everybody, you need to know the tables. 10 times 10 tables, everybody has to know. So suppose if I ask 9 sevens are, oh, what is 9 sevens? No, it should not be like that. If I ask 9 sevens, you should say immediately 63. What is 7 6s are? You need to be able to tell immediately 42. So these things you need to remember. If you not remember basic 10 times tables, then it's very difficult to do mathematics fast. So you tell your children, whether small children or elderly children, they need to know the tables up to 10 thoroughly. If possible, if they can learn up to 20 is much good. If they learn 20, they can do wonders. They can do much faster. But 10 into 10 is enough. Okay. So now let us look at squares, areas. Okay. 1 square is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. Look at my cursor on the red on the screen. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 4 is 16. 5 into 5 is 25. 6 into 6 is 36. 7 into 7 is 49. 8 into 8 is 64. 9 9s are 81. 10 10s are 100. అర్థమైంది కదండి, అందరూ అగ్రీ అయ్యారు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఈ అబ్జర్వ్ ద లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఎప్పుడు మీరు 1తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి ఎప్పుడు లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ 1 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ మల్టిప్లై 1 into 1, the end digit is always 1. If you multiply 2 into 2, the end digit is 4. If you multiply 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 4 6. 5 into 5 is 25. 5. And 6 into 6 36. See, observe. The end digit 6. For 4 also, the end digit is 6. For 6 also, 6 6 are 36. 4 4s are 16. So 7 7s are 49. So 9. 8 8s are 64. So if the end digit is 4, the square root can be 8 or 2. Okay. Sometimes this is actually a crash course. Later on, if possible, if God willing, then I will do it a little bit slowly. So simultaneously, I am teaching my daughter also now, actually. So I need to do a little bit faster. So some people can catch up easily. Some people cannot catch up. So please don't worry. I will maybe if possible later on, I will take a number of classes, more classes in a slower way. So this is squares. So that means what I'm telling here is when I talk about the last, when you know the last digit, you know what is the digit. If it's 4, it can be either 2 or 8 only. No other digit. So now look at 10. Always in mathematics, when the number is big, don't worry about the number. Okay. If you know 10 into 10 is 100. If 100 into 100 is 10,000, you add zeros only. Suppose 10 square is 100. That means 10 square, you need to put 2 zeros. 10 cube is after 1, you need to put 3 zeros. 10 to the power of 5, you need to put after 1, 5 zeros. So don't worry about big numbers. Just as I mentioned, if you know about 10, you know about 10 into 100, 10 to 100 also. For example, 1 into 1 is 1. 10 into 10 is how much? 100. 20 into 20. Oh, don't worry. Oh, 20. Oh, it's very big number. No, what a problem. 2 into 2, 4, add 2 zeros, 400. So don't worry about the big numbers. If you know the small numbers, big numbers are easy. Don't worry. So don't worry about 30, 40. Don't worry. If you know 4 into 4 is 16, 40 into 40 is 1,600, 1,600. If you know 7 into 7 is 49, 70 into 70 is 4,900. If you know 9 into 9 is 81, immediately, 90 into 90 is 81. Okay. 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 100 is 10,000. Okay. So today you want me to teach about squares or today is square. So just I will tell about cubes, then I will ask some questions. So for this is for squares, this is for areas. Now let us go to the cubes. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 2 cube is 8. 3 threes are 9. 9 threes are 27. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. 5 fives are 25. 25 fives are 125. 6 6 are 36. And 36 6 are 216. You can check with calculator. 7 sevens are 49. And 49 sevens are 343. That also I will tell how to do. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens. Oh, you'll be scared. 49 sevens is 50 into 7 is 350 minus 7, 343. 8 eights are 64. 64 eights are 512. 9 nines are 81. 81 nines are 729. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1000. Cube roots are very easy compared to square roots. Why? I tell you. See, if the ending digit is 1, the number is 1. Cube root is 1. If the last digit is 8, the cube root is 2. If the last digit is 7, the cube root is 3. If the last digit is 4, for 4 it is 4, 5 it is 5, 6 it is 6. But the last ending digit is 3, the cube root is always 7. And if the last digit of any big number is 2, the cube root is 8. So the last digit of any number, any big number is 9, the cube root is 9. Okay. Any doubts on this? So if you look at if you know 2 cube is 8, 20 cube is 8,000. Simply add 3 zeros. If you know 9 cube is 729, 90 cube is 729,100. Okay. Now, I will repeat again. Look at the right side numbers. 10 cube is 1,000. 20 cube is 8,000. 30 cube is 27,000. 40 cube is 64,000. 50 cube is 125,000. Okay, let us stop at 50. Okay. Now, if you say any number, if I say any number, for example, 70,000, the moment you say 70,000, I know the range. 70,000 where it lies, the cube root between 40 and 50. Okay. And if the end digit is 5, then immediately I will say it is 45. If you have any questions, please ask me. Okay, now I will ask some questions. Okay, you see this table and you will answer. Cube roots are very easy. I will ask about the cube roots. Now I am taking my calculator. So I will ask, I will tell. If anybody can guess, estimate, please tell. See, when I tell the number, suppose somebody said, oh, 800,000. The moment you say 800,000, in my mind, I will calculate, okay, the cube root between 90 and 100, because 90 cube is 729,000, 100 cube is 10 lakhs, that is 100,000, 1,000. Okay, so 1,000, 1,000. So actually, we use in millions, 100,000, 216,000. Not we don't say in 2 lakhs, 2,16,000 and all. Whatever it is, if I want to use Indian terms, 90 cube is 7,29,000 and 100 cube is 10 lakhs. If you say any number between 7,29,000 and 10 lakhs, the moment you say that, okay, 800,000, then 900,000, then 9 lakhs, 8 lakhs, then I will immediately the cube root, I will estimate, okay, this is between 90 and 100. And if you say the last digit is 9, for 9, it's 9. Simple. So I will say immediately 99. Okay, now I will ask one question to all of you. You people try. Only remember this thing. For 7, it is opposite or reverse. So for 7, it is 3. For 3, it is 7. 5 is 5. 4 is 4. 6 is 6. Okay, 3, 7. 8, 2, 2, 8. These are the only things. For 2 and 3 changes. For 9, it's 9. For 1, it is 1. For 8, it is 2. For 7, it is 3. In reverse. For 2 it is 8. So these two only reverse, remaining all same. So now I will ask one question. Okay. I will ask Cuba, then you tell me the answer. 1,75,616. 1,75,616. Otherwise, 175,616. What will be the cube root? 1,75,000. Sunit, correct, Sunita?
56.
56.
56.
Exactly. So the moment I say 175,000, where it lies, 50 cube is 125,000, 60 cube is 216,000. Okay. The moment I say 175, okay, I know the range between 50 and 60. And what is the n number? 6. For 6 is always 6, 56. So some people type it in the chat. I cannot see the chat. Okay, but very good. So I will ask one more. Just guess. Look at the table and you guess. Okay. $531,000, 5,31,441. 5,31,441.
81.
Otherwise,
81.
81. Job Daniel garu, fantastic and okay. Now I'll ask few more. Just I wanted to be familiarized already. Okay, we have 10 more minutes for today. Just demonstration. One more question. Others try. Any children, please try. $1,17,649. 117,649. 1,17,649.
59.
49.
59.
59.
59.
1,17,000. 1,17,000.
49.
49.
117.
49.
49.
49. Very good. Very good. Small children. Very nice. Fantastic. You are catching up. Very good. Okay. Now, children, tell me. Okay. I will ask another one, simple one. Okay. 29,791. 29,791.
39.
39. 9 అయితే అసలు లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ 1 ఉంటే 9 అయినా రాదండి. లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ 1 ఉంటే 1 వస్తుంది.
31.
31.
91.
Exactly. 31 is the correct answer. మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి. 31. So the moment I said 29,000, so 30 cube you need to remember. So remember, if you remember this 20 numbers, you can do these things. That means if you ask 3 cube is 27. 30 cube is 27,000. I told 29,000. That means it's about 27,000. Okay, but below 64,000. And last digit is 1. 31. Immediately you can say 31. Okay, one more. I will ask 3 more. Little bit tough, huh? 238,000. 2,38,328. 2,38,328. Otherwise, 238,300.
72.
62.
62.
Correct.
62.
62 ఎవరు చెప్పారు? వెరీ గుడ్ అండి. 62. ఎందుకంటే లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ 8 కదా, 2 వస్తుంది. మనకి 238,000 చూడండి, 216,000 దగ్గరగా ఉంది. సో దగ్గరగా ఉంది కాబట్టి ఖచ్చితంగా అది 62. అంతే, ఇంకో నెంబర్ లేదు. ఎందుకంటే లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ 8 అంటే అది 2 అవ్వాలి. ఇది బిట్వీన్ 216,000కి ఎక్కువ ఉంది, 340 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంది. సో 62. If the number is somewhere more than 343, for example, 378,000, some 612, then 2, then you can immediately say 12. Very good. Fantastic. So one more. $54,872. 54,872.
88.
88.
54,000.
38. 38.
38. 38.
38.
Exactly. 38. Very good. Fantastic. Children are saying very nice. I'm very happy if children, you can, somebody is typing in the chat box. Very good. PL Catherine, I appreciate. I want the children really picking up. Very good. So your exercise for next class, you need to remember all these things. Now we are seeing and answering. I don't know, some people without seeing answering is good. You need to remember in your brain these things. It's not a very tough one. Only if you know this 10 digits cubes, you add three zeros. That's all. 7 cube 343. Remember. 6 cube 216. Remember. 9 cube 729. Remember. So 90 cube is automatically 729,000. 7,29,000. Sorry, Indian people. If I say 729,000, you will confuse. But normally everywhere in the world, people don't use lakhs and crores. So they use millions and billions and trillions. So it sometimes is better to learn in millions also. So the 100 into 100 is, this is 1 lakh. Okay. 10 lakhs is 1 million. So we write it in 1 million. So other international students, we know the numbers. This is all international standards. So that's why I did not put 2,16,000. In international, we call in thousands only. 216,000, 512,000. In India, we call it as 5,12,000. So 709 cube is 729,000. That is 7,29,000. 10 cube is 10 lakhs. Any number between 7 lakhs, 22,000 or 90 lakhs, then the cube root will lies between 90 and 100. So now I will ask one more final question. Okay. 8,30,584. 8,30,584.
94.
Super. Everyone chepparu first. Na teliyట్లేదు.
Joshua.
Joshua. Very good, Joshua. Fantastic. You got it already. So now the next exercise is, you need to remember all these squares. I will share the presentation. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here it's there already. Okay. Now see here. Actually, I'm not able to see the screen properly. Okay, this is cubes. Let us learn about cubes. Yes, areas next time we will learn. Okay, now cubes. See, 1, always 1. Okay, 2, 8. Here, 2 and 8 are reversible. If the last digit is 8, it's 2. If the last digit is 2, it is 8. If the last digit is 9 or last digit is 1, sorry, 1, for 9 it is 9. For remaining 4, 5, 6 only 2, 3, 7, it changes. Okay. So okay. So shall I say this? Life is getting confused. So mathematics people don't confuse. If you have any doubts, please ask. Okay, please ask. We'll learn about cubes only today. We'll learn about cubes only. Then squares little bit. Squares is a little bit tough. That is also not that difficult. So today we'll learn about cubes, and next week I will tell more and more tips. Okay, more and more tips. So today that's all for today. So remember, for cubes, 1, 1, 8, 2. If the last digit is 7, the number is 3. If the last digit is 4, always 4. If the last digit is 5, always 5. If the last digit is 6, always 6. If the last digit is 3, 7. The last digit is 2, it's 8. Last digit is 9, it's 9. 0 is always 0. And remember the ranges. Okay. 10 cube is 1,000 and 20 cube is 8,000. Any number between 1,000 and 8,000, what is the cube root? Lies between 10 and 20. Okay. Any number between 1,000 and 8,000, the number cube root will be between 10 and 20. So by looking at the last digit, okay, 1,321. Okay, immediately you can say it is between 1,000 and 8,000. The last digit is 1. The answer is 11. Okay. So any questions, please? I will share the presentation. Then later on, I will share in the group. Then you can practice, you memorize. Then I will tell more tips in the next class. This is only demonstration class today. So I don't want to teach. Later on, I will arrange the whiteboard and I'll try to explain slowly. If it's a little bit faster, don't worry. I will tell some things. Any questions, please? Please, you can switch on the video. No, if you know video, also no problem. Any questions about the cubes today? Or any comments? Is it helpful or not? Somebody told it's helpful. Really useful for kids. Thank you. Sister Jayashree, thank you, Joshua. Thank you, Sunita. Many people answered in the chat. Now I am opening the chat. I'm seeing very good. Many people are able to answer very fast. PL, Kathleen, Annie, very good. Any doubts? Please ask any doubts, any clarifications. I will share again. If you remember 10 numbers, later on I will share some more information. If you remember at least a few 10 tables and remember 1 to 10 squares and 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. If you remember whatever I showed in the slides, you can do the calculation. And in the mathematics, computative mathematics, they will always give perfect squares. 441 square root 21, 21, something like that. So it's 9. People will it will give simply like that. It's perfect squares. They always give it. Like for example, 30 into 30 is 900. 31 into 31 is 961. So 29 into 29, 30 into 30 is 900, 29 into 29 should be always less than 900. So it's 841. All these tricks I will tell you in the next class. So any questions about the cubes? Today we learned about cubes and cube roots. Okay.
We
So
have to learn 9 cube, 8 cube. We have to by heart all these things.
Because up to 5 easy to remember. Because very easy to calculate.
Up to 5 it is easy. Yes.
Up to 5 easy because 5 5s are 25, 25s are 125.
Yes, yes.
4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. That is easy.
Okay,
Only thing
that's
is
all.
you need to remember 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, yes. And now we are telling, looking at the table only, we are able to tell. What you said is without looking at the table, you are telling, no? Like that, if we want to know, we have to by heart these.
Yes. Actually, if you practice, it automatically it will remember. If you practice few times, I need to remember how much. No. This thing automatically will come. Just remember. That's it. 6 are 36. That also I can tell how to multiply 36 into 36. I will give some tips. That is also we can do. But it's okay. But if you remember, it becomes easy.
You have to make us practice.
Yes.
That also needed.
What I do is next time I will give 20 questions with cube roots. Whoever answers first, I will give again.
Yes. We will note down and we'll send it to you. The children will send it to you.
In the WhatsApp, I will maybe they need to answer in a paper and they will screenshot. Whoever does fast, I will ask 20 cube roots between 1 to 100. I will ask 20 cube roots. Okay. Without whether you see or not see, if you remember, the people do it very fast. If you see also, you need to search. So next class, I will do a test on cube roots. I will give maybe 10 questions or 20 questions, maybe 10 questions. I will see whoever answers fast. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Sunita teacher. English teacher, very interested in mathematics. Appreciate that. Any questions? Otherwise, today we'll call it a day. So next class is on Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday 7 p.m. We'll learn about more. I will talk about speeds. I will talk about work and percentages. Many other things I will teach. But first I will talk about volumes. Then after tomorrow next class we'll talk about areas. And after another 2 classes I will tell some other tips. And I have so many things, but I do not have the time now. I have not yet prepared. So I will, whatever the tips I can give, some multiplication tips, some divisional tips, all those tips I will give. Okay. So this session is recorded. So because if you don't come to the first class, it becomes very difficult to follow the next class. That's why I was telling people to join from the first. but I will try the recording. If any people miss, then we can give the recording, then people can listen and they can come prepared for the next class. Okay. See you all in the next class. Thank you. I hope you will, improve your calculation skills a little bit after these classes. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you.
Okay, anything wanted to say? Otherwise, I will end the meeting. Sharon Johnson, very good, Amma. And
Thank
Pierre,
you, sir.
very good.